Okay, so you're staying in a hostel in Rockwood, Pennsylvania. It's living up to its title. Very pretty building. It's called the Hostel on Main. Comfortable, affordable lodging. It's $33.30, I think, per person. It's got a little passcode. I've left it unlocked just so I could do this. So I'll come in here. See, I locked the door, keeping us all nice and safe. No bikes are permitted in the hostel area. Must be stored in basement. We'll get to that. Lovely thing. By the way, you do have to sign off like your entire life due to COVID-19 that you don't hold them responsible for anything. And then you come in here when the lights were off when we first came in, and that was...
Let's show them.
Yeah. Creepy. So this is lovely. And it's very nice. It's decent. I haven't looked in the bathrooms yet.
There's 3 of them.
There's 1 little, 2 little, 3 little tinkle places.
All with showers.
Yeah. So we'll be showering. We were hoping that, you know, if anybody else shows up there, you know, not as ugly as us. All right, and then you get your little kitchen area. So I guess we could put our sodas in here. Although that is not plugged in. So I just saw the plug sitting down there. So that's not useful. Oh, they got laundry. Coin op. I'm not messing with that.
Yeah, so that fridge is concerning.
Oh, that's okay. It's just old. All right, so we come out the back. Come here. Lock it up. I have a beautiful deck where I am going to smoke. Because I don't see any signs that say I can't. You rent from over there, those people at the same place we're about to go buy our food. Where you see those people walking is not the trail. The trail is actually further over where you see that car, which I'm not real sure how the hell that's happening. Oh, there's a parking lot up there to get to the trail. You come around and guy came out of that place somehow. Says he's renting the upstairs. And this is the basement where your bikes go. This is the beginning of like a murder movie. So yeah, you come in here, by the way, temperature is about 10 degrees. Down here, not for real, like 50 degrees. And this is where you park your bikes, and there's these beautiful bike racks that you can't use because they've done projects. So your stuff is, I'm a little concerned, it's unlocked. So this is where your bikes are supposed to go. I'm assuming not back here, because that is terrifying. So I don't even know how much of this will show up because it's so dark down here. So that is the hostel in Rockwood. So there you go. Making Your Bed in a Hostel by Lou. I know this is the shot all of you were waiting for. For everybody who's saying, oh, you need to make those military corners. This has got a really slick cover on it, and so it's making it kind of hard / impossible. Step one. Jesus. Step 2. Get your second flat sheet. With fuzz on it. By the way, the people that run this place are very nice. Some evil person set the temperature in here at 76 degrees. So it is hot as hell. Again with your favorite shot. And done enough to sleep for one night. Pillowcase. And that is Hostle Living with Lou. You can go buck wild, cover it up. Towels. Get a towel for $2. In addition, I think that's it. Next thing I'm gonna do is try to figure out how to turn that damn furnace off. All right. Any train like these has to be single stacks instead of the double stacks you see, because Baltimore's tunnels are too short. Choo Choo.